آپ کو بتائیں کہ جنگ بندی کی خواہش بھارت کی تھی۔ پاکستان نے سیز فائر کی درخواست کے حوالے سے درخواست نہیں کی۔ ترجمان پاک فوج نے کہا اور پاکستان کی جانب سے صورت گڑھ، سرسا، آدم پور، اونتی پور اور ادم پور اور پٹھان کوٹ میں دشمن کے اہداف کو کامیابی سے نشانہ بنایا گیا۔ دو مقامات پہ بھارت کے S-400 میزائل ڈیفنس سسٹم کو تباہ کیا گیا اور نیٹ ورکس اسٹیشن اور پونج ریڈار کو نشانہ بنایا۔ پاکستان نے دشمن پہ بھرپور سائبر حملے بھی کیے۔ آپ کو اپڈیٹ کریں اس حوالے سے۔ جنگ بندی کی خواہش بھارت کی تھی، پاکستان نے سیز فائر کی درخواست نہیں کی۔ ترجمان پاک فوج نے کہا کہ پاکستان نے بھارت کی 26 دفاعی تنصیبات کو نشانہ بنایا۔ پاکستان کے تمام حملے انتہائی مہارت کے ساتھ کیے گئے۔
For reprehensible Indian military aggression and brutal killings of our citizens. Alhamdulillah, Pakistan Armed Forces have delivered the promise made to our people. Especially indebted to the youth of Pakistan, who became the frontline soldiers as information and cyber warriors of the country. Profound thanks are also due to you, the vibrant media of Pakistan, who also stood like Bunyanum Marsoos, a steel wall against the Indian media information blitz and fuming as well as warmongering done by the Indian. We are extremely grateful to the political leadership of all political parties without any distinction for the unified resolve in support of their armed forces for the defense of our motherland. The armed forces are specifically grateful to the inspiring leadership of the Prime Minister of Pakistan and his cabinet ministers for taking destiny-changing decisions of the country and steering it through this critical situation. Using precision-guided long-range Fateh series missiles F-1 and F-2 of Pakistan Army, precision munitions of Pakistan Air Force, highly capable long-range loitering killer munitions, and precision long-range artillery. 26 military targets as well as facilities that were used to target Pakistani citizens and those enterprises that were responsible for fomenting terrorism in Pakistan were engaged in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and also mainland India. The targets included Air Force and aviation bases at Suratgarh, Sirsa, Bhuj, Nalia, Adampur, Bhatinda, Barnala, Halwara, Avantipura, Srinagar, Jammu, Udhampur, Mamoon, Ambala and Pathankot, which all sustained major damage. S-400 battery system at Adampur and Bhuj was also attacked by our proud Pakistan Air Force. Military logistic and support sites which helped sustain this unlawful operation against innocent Pakistani civilians like field supply depot at Uri and radar station and Poonch were also targeted. Military command headquarters, which helped plan the operational killing of our innocent citizens, especially the children, including 10th Brigade and 80 Brigade at KG Top and Nushaira, were also destroyed. Facilities which harbored, train and capacitate proxy elements that perpetrate terrorist attacks inside Pakistan, which kill innocent civilians, were specifically identified and destroyed. These include intelligence fusion support units and its forward field elements at Rajouri and Nushaira. That Pakistan Armed Forces possess an adequate suite of very sophisticated niche military technologies, only some of which were used with restraint in this conflict. And there are many more such capabilities being kept as future surprises.
अभी सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।